Man. Y'all locked in, man, with your homie CBW, man. Holding down for CBW Media. As y'all can see, I told you to change the weather. You know, to have your car acting funny. You know, like my battery totally shot.
Gotta get another battery, man.
Shit cold a motherfucker.
But, you know,
back up and running. Got the MC back and running, man, and all that type of stuff, man. Yeah, y'all know what it is, man. Back at it. Let me put a little bit of this belt dressing on her and shit like that. So I had not had this damn thing started in actually a few days. Actually about 3 or 4 days. So yeah, crazy, man. Yeah, that's like shit crazy. I was like, what in the hell? Y'all see a little belt dressing right here, you know what I mean?
feel that noise.
You know, that stops the battery from. But yeah, to stop that squeaky noise, have time be your belt a little bit dry or something like that. Use that belt conditioner. It works pretty good. Like I said, all you gotta do, like this.
Just spray it right here. You know, so right where you see on the belt. I don't know if you can see that.
That's that belt right there. Look, sometimes that shit gets dry, you know.
You hit one of the pulleys.
That's it, man. And that'll take the squeak away, get you right. Got that new battery in there. I'm back right. Make sure y'all winterize your cars, man. Like I said, definitely winterize your cars. I already did my oil change. Make sure you check your battery, your wipers, get your tune up, all that type of stuff, man. You should be running good pretty much throughout the fall and the winter, though, you know. Y'all rock with your big homie CBW on CBW Media. Y'all know what it is, man. Let's get it.